Worries over who should have access to your driver's license information are behind a new lawsuit now before the state Supreme Court. Dozens of Oklahoma lawmakers want to stop Service Oklahoma from transferring data to an out-of-state nonprofit next month. News 4's Tanner DeLeon is here to explain all this. And Tanner, you're also hearing from Service Oklahoma, I understand.
Yes, Kevin, we heard from both sides, and lawmakers say Service Oklahoma is exceeding its authority by handing over information without their approval. They're also worried about the federal government seeing the data. But Service Oklahoma says the feds cannot access it, and they're already allowed to share the information.
They don't have the authority to upload to such software. We're talking about an arm of the federal government ran by a third party that has no oversight.
In February, Service Oklahoma plans to share driver's license data with the American Association of Motor Vehicle Administrators. The system, more commonly known as State to State, is run by a Virginia-based nonprofit and has been used by almost every other state for nearly 20 years. But now, several Oklahoma lawmakers, Republicans and Democrats, are asking the state Supreme Court to block the transfer. Senator Kendall Sacchieri is leading the effort.
So once they are contracted and we utilize AMVA to run this system for us, pretty much you lose control. It's no longer state-led. Service Oklahoma has said it's state-led. There's no way they can prove that.
Officials with Service Oklahoma told us they cannot comment on the lawsuit, but do say the system does not own, control, or independently access driver license data. They add the purpose is to allow licensing agencies in other states to see if someone already got a license or a real ID somewhere else.
I just don't really see the need for a whole new software to accomplish that. I think you can just pick up the phone and say, hey, DMV in Pennsylvania, can you look up this number and tell me if it's a valid license or not, and then hang back up.
Service Oklahoma tells us the system does not store or centralize full driver records or permit access by the federal government.
I disagree. We know DHS and AMVA work hand in hand, and we can show those ties ever since federal government passed the Real ID Act in 2005.
Senator Sacchieri also says lawmakers did not approve the data transfer.
I discovered in, I think, November that this upload was happening. Otherwise, this had not been made public. Legislature had not been notified. And so I felt like a halt was appropriate. They said, nope, we will continue to work towards that.
But Service Oklahoma tells us it is allowed to share information with other states as part of routine license administration. They also stress driver's license photos and biometric data like fingerprints will not be provided.
So if AMVA comes down later and says, all right, well, the major points on your ID is not enough now. We need to ramp it up. We now need your biometrics. We need your photographs. That very well could be the next move.
Service Oklahoma saying, quote, our focus remains on administering a secure, privacy-protective driver license and identification program that supports public safety and trust in Oklahoma's credentials.
Now, the state Supreme Court has given Service Oklahoma until February 3rd to respond to the claims in the lawsuit before making a decision.